up alongside Red 2, just tucked in behind Red 6. The Red Arrows are based at RAF Scampton to the north of Lincoln. RAF Scampton is of course the famous base for the famous 617 Dambuster Squadron in World War II. Unfortunately, Scampton will close at the end of this year and the team will move to RAF Scampton. Therefore, in tribute to the history of the station, its squadron and its personnel. And now that 617 flies the F-35, this is the Lightning Loop. Once again, pulling up at 4G and achieving 5,500 feet. Slowing to 150 miles per hour, which makes the controls a little less responsive, making that formation keeping and station keeping even more difficult, certainly for Reds 4 and 5 on the outside of the shape. Red 1 bringing the formation to the left, but on the far right hand side, up close as we look at it, is Squad leader John Bond. Notice Bondy is in his 5th year on the team, having previously been Synchro leader last year. He was also a former Typhoon pilot, the qualified of the Tucano, and he was also the Tucano display pilot in 2012. Smoke comes on once again from Reds 4 and 5 on the outside as Reds 2, 3, 4 and 5 move up just sat behind Red 1. The go call is made as Red 7 moves to the left and Red 6 moves to the right, with all the odd numbers on the left hand side and all the even numbers now on the right hand side. Also while Red 1 is bending the formation around the right, pulling 3G, making the move even more difficult. Once again, get your cameras ready for the Phoenix roll. Once again, they can see you, give them a huge wave, and you can see the shape of the Hawk aircraft, which has been in service with the Royal Air Force since 1966, and has been the aircraft of the Red Arrows since 1979. Since March 2000.